Hello traders, I wanted to welcome you all. This is Ash Hammond, and what I'm about to share with you, something that is very uniquely skilled, which is I did throughout the years, and of course I lost some of my money and in the process of becoming a successful trader, and it was like what I call a pain in the butt, but I was persistent and consistent, and I finally put it all together, and I start seeing results, and I say to myself, well, okay, well, let me try to share small sizes instead of being greedy and get into the big share size from the beginning, which is what happened. If I was wrong, I might lose. So therefore, I took it step by step, and I lost money in the process, but I've learned it successfully, and as you see in my previous video, obviously, if you did go to my website and you see my video, is I'm one of the top traders that you can see out there, meaning that I'm very unique in teaching skills that is can be given to any professional trader or a newbies at the same time. It means that I teach you images and patterns that repeat itself, and therefore my course is very solid because you're not going to use any mathematical formula or such thing, but what you're going to use is matching the patterns and the images with the stock and the indexes and the sectors as a professional sound system to make professional trade after trade. And that's what the whole course is about. It's about teaching you the patterns and images and when to trade and how to trade and how to find those trade setups in the charts, the NASDAQ chart, the New York Stock Exchange charts, the Forex charts, the bond charts, the notes charts. And I believe that all charts speaks the same language because images repeat itself, and therefore if we have a cub on the Forex charts or we have a cub on the stock market chart, it doesn't matter. Cubs is a cub. It tells us that either the buyers or the supply in demand or in charge. So therefore, as we play accordingly, and that's what the course is about. So in this course, what I'm about to teach you is the psychology of charts and how to make successful trades based on day trading, what I call versus swing trade. Now remember that once you learn the images, you can go out and swing trade intraday charts or swing charts at the same time frame because all time frame repeats itself. So if you do a swing trades or intraday or daily chart, the image is the same image. If we have a cub on three of those, then it tells us that we have an imbalanced signal, either if the cub to the upside or to the downside. So therefore, we have volatility in the market. So the image speaks 1,000 words. It's like a picture speaks 1,000 words, and that's what this whole course is about: teaching you the exact formula how to decode charts professionally and take it to the next level. In case if you're suffering or you're having problems right now in your day trading and you wanted that perfect solution for your day trading and take the guesswork out of you, well, there it is. Here it is. And that's what I'm giving you. So I'm giving you exactly what you're seeing right here, the a concept of day trading that exactly puts it all together for you. So based on the proprietary trade that I went through with and what works for me as a unique skill, and therefore I'm sharing the same skill with you at the same time. So this course is about teaching you exactly how the psychology of patterns and what they mean when they same repeat itself or the image represent itself, and how strong the trade setups are, and where is the pivot and the exit and the reversal, and how to identify pre-market, and how to trade successfully more of the time than loses, of course, because nobody wins all the time. But I'm going to teach you how to take tiny stops where you are able and capable to stay in the business all the time. So what I'm trying to say exactly that this course is going to help you how to become successful trader in no time, because you're not going to read no formulas or anything like that. I'm going to teach you patterns, images, a decode off what I call trade setups that it repeats itself every time. That is possibly 8 patterns that comes in within a 2 or 3 day ranges, and therefore you make an accurate decision based on that with almost 90% accuracy, and that's almost illegal. So let's go through the course and tell you exactly what this course will be about in a very brief concept and the psychology behind this course, because it's absolutely unique. Just go back to your charts after I teach you the course and watch about 1,000 charts about the strategies and tactics that I will share with you here, and see if I wasn't making sense or I make sense, because what I teach you, it's exactly what day trading purely how it works. Everything else, it doesn't work. believe me, such as extra indicators and this and that. Now that's extra bells and whistles and noise to avoid and annoy the day trader, and therefore get stop losses more time than most of the time, and which is not really nice. So therefore I'm going to take that guesswork out of you and show you that how it's done correctly, so you can get with a professional accuracy and almost illegal accuracy, 99.9%, just based on patterns and how they're going up, down, and when they avoid the sideways, and how they bounce, and how we use the simple indicators that does not need no bells and whistles and noise. So the course is here to teach the psychology of day trading, and that's the whole thing about this course. That's the psychology. How are you going to go short, or how are you going to go long, and how to avoid sideways, and how to do a bounce trade, which is I don't recommend, but you're going to do accurately, whereas a lot of traders out there fail doing this and go bankrupt just because doing a bounce trades, because they don't know how to professionally and mechanically go with the trend, not against the trend. So the course is very simple. It will teach you about the day trading main concept, which is exactly how do we use the 2 or 3 day charts, and based on that and the images that we execute with 99.9% accuracy. And we're going to talk about the setting up the charts and the ACB band, and we're going to talk about the second day high and the second day low, and we're going to talk about live charts and charts extra that every trader must know. You're going to be impressed, because those charts are impossible to find. But once you understand the micro of it, not the macro, and that's why people go bankrupt, you're going to make more money in day trading as it's supposed to be and claim to. Then let's go back here. Then I'm going to teach the tricks of charts that every trader must know, that in additional charts such as what I call sink and trap, double cup and steady up, and fast drop shorts, and ascending and descending triangles and such forth, and I'll update you by my weekly news of my tactics and live trades that I take, and send it to your newsletter or to your email box, so you can see it, how it's exactly done on a weekly basis, so you can go the next day or the next week, clone the system, clone the tactics and strategy, and repeat it and see the success of it. And it's exactly how it really works, because nothing else. It's not going to be extra pitch on sale. It's not going to be, oh, you're going to buy this extra this. No, it's pure professional 100% day trading. So let's go back here. So it's going to be also teaching you about scanning in the morning, and how to go into those finance websites and such thing, and find those extra percentage trades and focus on them for the next trading day and such forth. And you can learn about the gap secrets, the up and down, the far away, the continuation, and how far the gap should be. And you know, you're going to learn about the gap and trap and the gap and short and squeeze, you know, and also what you're going to learn about is time and sale, as well as the time and sale, which is what I call the buy and sell demand, and between the buy and sell pressure, the sell pressure, like who's in charge. And I think you're going to be very impressed with this course, because it doesn't take you all the way in details, well, you got to buy this indicator and this and that. No, I'm going to teach you professional images only, that once you finish with this course, I want you to go back to your charts, and 1,000 charts, how's that, and go back to the certain time that I tell you to go and check exactly where the likely trade setups in the chart takes off to the upside or downside before they go sideways. And that's the whole course, about teaching you swings either up or down, and avoid the sideways based on a professional code that I will teach you in this professional course. And that's what the whole course about. And if you have any questions, shoot me at Stock Trading Wizard at yahoo.com. And any questions that concerning learn day trading, or whatever that is that you want to learn about the image of psychology of charts, I'll be very glad to answer them with you with professional accuracy, that will both of us be impressed by me giving you the knowledge and education that take you to the next level, and you learning those images that will make you a lot of money. It's that simple.